mega shoutout! Kamusta kayo mga amigo at amiga? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's vlog, I'll be cooking my own version of chicken salpicao. For the newbies here, please watch my video until the end. Consider subscribing my channel. If you like it, give me a thumbs up and share. And comment down your suggestions. And hit the notification bell to get notified on my next vlog. So here we need chicken breast. I prefer chicken breast, guys, kasi this is malambot and madali siyang lutuin. Trivia nga pala, guys, ako naman hindi naman po ako nagmamarunong and nabasa ko lang po ito. If you buy chicken in the market, don't wash it in your kitchen sink kasi daw baka daw ma-E. coli yung kitchen sink natin. And unless kung may nakikita kayong mga dirt sa chicken na yon, pwede nyo na rin po hugasan. Ako, guys, guilty ako doon kasi hinugasan ko yung chicken ko. Anyway, dahil iluluto naman po natin to sa pan, mamamatay din naman po yung E. coli. So, yun lang. So, here's how we cut the chicken. We cut the chicken into cubes like this. The size is almost like this, 1-inch cube. So, I'm gonna show you how to cut it. So, kukuha tayo ng chicken dito. Yan. And ikakat na natin siya. So there, now we're going to marinate the chicken. First, we need toyo or soy sauce. Not toyo na may topak, guys, ha? What? Char. Half of this, how do you read this? Worcestershire sauce? Hay nako, guys, color key. Ano ba to? Ang hirap naman basahin. Mas mahirap pa sa love life. Char. Then, a little amount of sugar to caramelize the sauce. And lots of black pepper to enhance the flavor of my chicken salpicao. And finally, to make it more palatable for Pinoys, syempre, we'll put calamansi. Yun o! Ayan guys, haluin lang natin siya ng haluin. And ilagay na po natin ang chicken. Ayan. And haluin natin yung chicken sa may sauce. Ayan. 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 And then boom! Leave it for 15 minutes. Habang minamarinate natin yung chicken, I'm gonna prepare the other ingredients. So, meron tayo ditong garlic. Ayan. I-slice natin siya ng pa-chips, guys. Alam nyo, guys, gusto ko mas maraming garlic kasi napakasarap nito and yung aroma niya, guys, napakabango. And sabi nga daw nila, guys, nakakababa daw to ng cholesterol and it lowers your hypertension. Yun nga lang, guys, hindi ko alam kung ilang garlic ang enough para ma-lower natin ang ating hypertension. So kung alam niyo, guys, you can comment down naman. So yan, guys, ililive natin yan ng 10 to 15 minutes para lumabas yung mga nakatagong worm and insects dyan. So after nyan, hugasan ulit natin siya ng water. To enhance the flavor of our chicken salpicao, I put oyster sauce and chili flakes para mas lalo tayong ganahang kumain. And syempre, guys, I put one of my favorite veggies. Ito na nga ang broccoli. So, ito, guys, napaka-nutritious neto and rich in antioxidant. So, dahil sa inisprayan to ng pesticide, guys, ay kailangan natin siyang linisan ng mabuti. So, after nyan, guys, ibababad ko tong broccoli na to sa brine solution natin. Ang brine solution, guys, is yung water na may salt na diluted. So, lalagyan muna natin siya ng salt. Ayan, mimix po natin siya hanggang sa matunaw yung salt. After nyan, guys, ilalagay na natin yung broccoli. para sa ating side dish na gagawin, ay simple lang naman po ang gusto ko. Lalagyan ko lang po ng butter itong corn kernel and carrots and some seasonings like salt and pepper. So, hindi naman po kompleto ang ating meal kung walang rice. So, instead of rice, I will prepare mashed potato. So, yung potato ko guys ay nakababad po kasi hindi ko pa po siya iluluto and to prevent discoloration of the potato. And para dyan, gagamitin din natin siya ng butter and milk and some seasonings like pepper and salt. So, yun lang guys. So, yan guys, kompleto ng ating gagamitin. Tara, let's go! Woo!
Guys, I want our garlic to turn into light brown, but not burn ha. So, kailangan is mainit talaga yung kawali. Ang bango ng amoy. Hay nako guys, hungry much.
So, after 2 to 3 minutes, we're gonna flip the chicken to the other side. To check whether it is cooked or not, we're going to use a fork. Ayan, so walang resistance guys. So, ibig sabihin, luto na siya. So, isi-set aside na natin siya and isasalang na natin yung next batch.
Ako guys, I suggest pag nagpa-fry tayo ng anything, there should be enough space in between. Dapat hindi nagpapatong-patong ang chicken para maluto ng maigi and dapat hindi natin i-overcook para hindi mawala ang pagka-tender at juicy niya. Kasi pag sobrang luto, nagiging dry na siya. Parang kayo ng jowa nyo, kapag long overdue na, nakaka-dry and boring na. Char! What? Joke lang yun ha!
So now we're going to prepare the mashed potato. Una, i-smash po muna natin siya. Ayan. Habang mainit pa siya guys, islagyan muna natin siya ng butter para matunaw. Ayan. After niya, lalagyan natin siya ng milk. And salt. And pinch of black pepper. Okay na siya, guys. So, yan guys, nandito na ang hatol ng bayan. So, ngayon, titikman na natin ang version ko ng chicken salpicao. Wow! Sa amoy pa lang guys, sold na ako. So, tara, titikman na natin! Sulit na sulit yung paghihirap ko sa pagluluto. Yung mashed potato, napakalinamnam. Perfect combination talaga siya sa aking chicken salpicao. Yung chicken salpicao ko guys, tama lang yung anghang niya. Grabe, nalalasahan ko yung crunchiness ng garlic and yung crunchiness ng broccoli ko guys. And yung side dish, okay na okay siya guys. Parang perfect combination siya. So try nyo rin para malaman nyo. If you have any suggestions for my next vlog, you can comment down. And thank you for watching. See you on my next vlog. Bye! Toodles!
Keep it low key, keep it soft, exposed.